Okay, so usually on this channel, I react to a lot of underground music so far. Mostly just underground rap music, which this is underground, but it's not rap music, I don't think. I don't know, I only heard like the first 2 seconds, and from the thumbnail, it doesn't look like it. Feel me? So this artist, her name is Riot, Run Riot, and we about to find out. Wait, Run Riot Run, and okay, the artist's name is Riot, and ATM Hanson on the same song. Sorry, I butchered that. So we're about to see if this shit is fire. And this music video, from the looks of it, is gonna be fire, bro. Like when I see these black borders right here, I'm already knowing. All right, here we go.
Please don't break my heart, or I'll fuck you up. It's the love I lost. Underground superstar, underground superstar.
Fuck with the fit. I don't know where they are. This looks like maybe France. I could be wrong. I could completely off. I think I'm an idiot. This might be New York City. I can't tell. But I like the fit. The belt looking tough. Overall W fits. And her voice sounds good on this beat. What's that say? I can't read that. Yeah, I can't read that. Wait, is that Riot? I think that's Riot. That's just something else. Riot, right? My green skin like money, and my money good like jealous. Jealousy, run like Cardi, Bro, this music video is sick, bro. I like these. I like this shot right here. This is a sick fucking shot. I don't know where they are. Where the fuck are they? I have no. It doesn't look like it's in France because of this. I have no clue where they are. But their voice sounds good on this, but this beat is fucking perfect, bro. This beat is so fucking good, bro. Whoever made this beat, who made this beat? It doesn't say. But this music video is cool. Whoever shot this music video did a CCTV.
First last morning, rocket me one roller SpaceX. Put me on a rocket, digital world, they watch my pocket. I know you heard me.
This shot is so cool. This shot too. This background is sick. They found this good ass background. That shot right there. This shot is sick.
I know you heard me, seen the lyrics. And Rico, WNs. Going backwards, I had to reverse. Back it up, so
bro. They're fucking. Where are they? They in some like Asian area, bro. I don't know what the fuck this is. This has gotta be New York City in one of them towns. Like, I'm not gonna say which town because I don't fucking know, but one of them towns in New York City. I'm seeing this right here. Bro, this beat is, yeah, they are in New York City. This beat is sick, bro. Oh my god. I want to say either Chinatown or, yeah. Oh my god, this beat is sick. Alright, well, the vocals were cool. Nothing too crazy, honestly. I mean, her voice fitted the song, but I like more the beat. The beat was fire. Whoever made that beat, I guess it's ATM Hanson. I guess she's Riot, and this is ATM Hanson who made the beat. That beat was sick, bro. You did your shit with that beat. And this music video was sick, too. That was cool. That was cool. Gotta show love right there. That was cool. Facts. Like, mad peaceful. I'm not reading all that. Facts. This was sick, bro. I think this was Chinatown. I think this is Chinese here. That was sick, bro. All right, cool little music video. That was sick.